guys like the end look. It's really beautiful. Look at that nice part. It's gorgeous. I love it, and I know that the client is going to love it as well.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can slay your wig, your old wig, how you can style your wig, how you can revamp your old wig.
Yeah, I said it.
From the beginning of this video, you could see how this wig was looking like it's dead and gone. But no, we can revive it. Yes, let's revive it. So guys, if you want to see how you can maintain your wig, style your wig, revamp your wig, take care of your wig, please guys, just grab a seat and sit close. Let's do this together. We're going to dive into the video right now, but before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please and please again support me by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please make sure your notification bell is on. Thank you for doing that. But without taking too much of your time, let's dive into the video.
So this is the wig we're going to be working with, and then I'm just going to show you the tricks that you can actually use. Remember, after washing your wig, I actually dyed this hair from black to this blonde you're looking at right now. After washing and doing all those work, you will have to make sure that the closure part is actually laying very flat. So that's why I actually started this video from the closure part. That's where you have to put in all the work. If the area where the closure is the front of the hair, and that's where you need to put all the work. If the closure part is not laying the way it should lay, you might just tongue it and it might not just look nice. It won't be flat, it won't look professional. So if you want it to look professional, take time on that closure part. Make sure it lays very flat. And how to do that, you need to have a wand just like the one I'm using right now. Make sure it's very hot. I can't remember how hot I actually set my wand, but just make sure it's properly hot. Try to lay it from the root. You can see how it's looking right now, how the front is looking. It's looking flat. Nothing will bring it up except maybe you have to wash it again. So we're going to start with the tonguing right now, flat tonguing. So what you do is just take it batch by batch. I see some people actually want to do a bob or want to do a short bob like this, and they just pack a lot of the hair and flat tongue it. What happened is that after packing so much of it, before you know it, you will have to like redo it again, because you notice that every part of the hair is not actually flat. So what I do to achieve a long lasting like this flatness on my bob, if I'm making a bob wig, I'll have to do it line by line. I don't double the lines. I go one after the other. It takes a little bit of time, patience, but it's better when you do it, you've done it once and for all. When I make my bob wig, I can actually carry the bob wig for a very long time before even thinking of flat tonguing it again, because it will still be looking as if I just style it like yesterday. So if you want your bob wig, you want to style, if this goes with also a bone straight hair or a straight hair, you want to make it straight, this goes with it as well. I see people just pack a chunk of it and then just flat tonguing, and you think it's okay at that moment. Before you know it, you start popping up again, start rising. So if you want it to flat and remain flat, this is what you should do. And if you notice, why I'm actually flat tonguing it, I'm taking the straightener through it like more than 3 times, more than twice. It just depends, because if you look at the wig from the very beginning, you'll notice that it has a kind of wavy kind of texture. It has a kind of wavy pattern on it. If you don't go through the hair with the iron, if you don't go through the hair with the iron few times, you're going to see that coils will just bounce back. So you have to repeat it. Just repeat it and make sure that it's properly flat. When it's flat to your satisfaction, you will know. When you think it's flat enough, then it's okay. So that's why I take it part by part. And when it comes to the closure part, again, I repeat the same technique. You cut the closure part, make sure it's as tiny as possible so the heat can actually go through it and the hair can actually look flat. Those are some tricks that some people will not put on some of their styling, and when you finish the work, it will look as if it doesn't look, there is no difference on it. But if you go like this, it just take a little bit of time. Try to dedicate your time into it, and then you'll be able to get it right. I do this for clients, and I charge clients just to style hair like this. I charge sometimes £50, £40. So if you can actually style it yourself, why pay me the money? That's the reason why I'm actually doing this tutorial, just to help someone out there who wants to style their hair and they think, okay, I don't want to go to a stylist, I want to do it myself. So that's the reason why I actually do all this kind of videos, so one can just, somebody might just be needing it and will just come across it, and then it will be helpful to the person. So guys, please don't hesitate to drop a comment if you think you like this tutorial. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. I'm going to upload it for you guys. If you've never styled a bob hair before, let me just mention this. You take it straight from the root, and when it gets to the bottom, the tips, you just curve it a little bit. If you watch what I'm doing, you'll be able to understand what I'm actually talking about. You take it from the root, then when you get to the tip, you just curve it a little bit. That's how you achieve a bob style. If you want to, it's not like a straight hair that you're just straightening, you allow the straightener to be straight from the top to the bottom. No, with a bob, when it gets to the tip, you just curve your hands a little bit so it will have that kind of curvy shape at the bottom. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm actually saying, but if you watch what I'm doing very well, you're going to understand it. So after styling the hair, I like to use my wand. What this actually do, this was, I'm sorry, my was, what this actually do, it just lay any flyaway hair on the wig down. Yes, you know, you just washed it and the rest, definitely you use a hot iron on it, you're going to have a flyaway. So if you have any flying hair, any hair that is standing on the wig, you just use that to lay it flat. And after doing that, I like using my my flat iron to just iron it, like just press it down. Try to just press it and make sure it's looking flat. You can see how it's looking right now. Just use it to rub through the hair while the tongue is still hot. So what I'm doing now is I'm just using the hair control to like make sure that end that look bright, I'm able to achieve a little bit of a dark edge at the part area. I don't know if you guys understand me, but that's what I'm using right now. That's what it does. It will just give it a like kind of a little bit of a darker shade. I'm trying to define the pattern. That's what I'm actually trying to do. So with this, what it does, it gives you a little bit of a darker color close to the part, then it's able to define your pattern very well. So after doing that, I just used a foundation, any foundation of your choice, like that is close to your color. You just use it to define the part, so you can see how that looks.
Yeah, guys, so this is how the wig looked by the time we're done. It looked really, really gorgeous. You won't believe it was that wig that actually looks like this. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Mind you, I actually dyed this hair from black to blonde. So if you want to see how I dyed, you want to see the process on how I dyed the hair, please drop a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to drop a video on how to dye your hair from black to this shade, this blonde shade. So guys, if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please and please again, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Bye. The client has actually made this wig for over 2-3 years, so she just needed me to change the color. If you guys would like to see how I changed from black to this fairy color, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to upload a video for you guys. It's very simple, very simple, on how to like transform from black to this fairy color. Hope you guys like the end look. It's really beautiful. Look at that nice part. It's gorgeous. I love it and I know that the client is going to love it as well.